Alright, welcome back generals to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Last videos we have started to add imgui, dear imgui, to unassemblize. I'm wondering, find dia SDK. This one should probably also... This one should probably also be guarded by Windows, right? I think. Okay. I wonder if we can also add those CMake files here so that they show up in here. I don't know if let's see what happens. I have no idea. Sometimes you just try and see what happens. Right. It does show this netviz here. Huh, okay, that actually works. Now it shows those CMake files here. Okay, that's good. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now, Thompson's has suggested to add a bunch of things here. Let me see. Leave. Okay. Could disable Mac O and F2. Those are typoed. Live? Oh. They are. Okay, then what we also need, huh? Yeah, getting started. Compiling linking. Okay, so add files to your project. Here, the MISC files. Imgui MISC. Debuggers. Okay. So I guess we just have to add CMake Visual Studio. Check Visual Studio. Visual Studio macro. If Visual Studio. Oh, we got some some failures. Not anymore. Good. So let's open this one. Okay, target sources. Target sources, public. I don't know what this means. Let me see. See my current list here. List files. CMake list file. I don't. Maybe it should just be this. Okay, so here we want to add this guy. Imgui debugger. So this if this and if CMake append target sources. CMake multiple target sources. Set I don't know if it's possible to call this multiple times. This thing. Maybe we just trial error. Let's see. So imgui misc static private target source is public. Target sources. Public. Files in a private or public file set are marked as source files for the purpose of IDE integration. Okay, it's unclear to me if this explains what public and private means. Probably doesn't explain it, because why should it? It says a lot of things, but it doesn't explain private. And it doesn't here, private. Okay, Google search, CMake. Target sources public. Okay, that's good. Specify the correct scope. Yeah, I would like to know what is the correct scope. Can you explain this, perhaps? I don't know if okay, let's remove this for now. Let's see if we at least get the not.vis files. Okay, so not.vis is here. Ignored, it says. What does that mean? Why does it say it's ignored? It shouldn't be ignored. Maybe ignored for... I guess these symbols are for Git, I guess. No idea. Checked in. Oh yeah, they're for Git. Ah, okay. Now the question is, does it really need to be public? Let me see. I don't know if this is correct or not, but it's here, so fine, I guess. Yeah. Okay, let's get back to imgui cmake. So okay, let's list here those headers. What is that? I suspect it's nothing that we interact with. Okay, so I suspect that we add a private here, and then we add these guys there. No? Let's see. Now it shows here some headers. Okay. Yeah. That's fine. All right. I think that is all well. Yeah. So we have the nutviz. We can see the headers here as well. Not that it really matters, but yeah. Good. Then I think next we can add the backend. So take this main here. Okay, let's think this through. So this main simply standalone example application. Okay, so it basically just has a main function. It creates the device, creates a window. Everything is catered towards Windows. And then it adds some thingies here. It will have a loop here, yeah, while not done, yeah. And in this loop, handle messages. Handle lost device. Handle window resize. Imgui frame. Big demo window. Okay, and here it does a window. Yeah, okay. And then it presents it here. Clean up, that's it. Create device. Window through maximum unthrottled frame rate. Yeah. Presentation interval 1. Where's vsync? Clean up device. Reset device. Here we have message handler. Okay. So conceptually, we probably want to have one file which does this Windows specific stuff, and then the rest of the imgui will be in general purpose files that could be included into any platform, right? So someone could make a Vulkan or something for Linux and use it there, right? So imgui itself doesn't care about platform, but the renderer determines what imgui is drawn with, right? So, yeah. Okay. Good. So Then unassemblize source. Okay, imgui client. Then we create a new file here, win32. win32.h. Okay, how do we... How do we do it for... Okay. Yeah. So when we look at our main function, so we will have a command line argument here for GUI, right? So it will read the GUI argument. It knows, please open the GUI, and then it goes down here, and then it opens the GUI somewhere here. So right now, if it uses just a command line, it will apply the command line options here. We should probably, like these options here, save load options. Oops. Ideally, the command line flow goes through the same flow that the UI would go through in general terms. Obviously, the UI needs more refined controls, but like on a fundamental basis, this would be good if they share a similar code path. Well, they will certainly do for all the PDB reader stuff and executable and comparison and all this, but not so sure about the runner stuff. need maybe we just gather those options and we just forward them to the UI, the command line options, and then the UI does its own thing. It doesn't go through the same routine here. Or, well, we can have a different layer. We say we have one structure that contains all these options together. Or it contains, yeah, all these general options. And then it just passes that to the UI as a starting point. And then the UI could invoke something similar to this. And then we could streamline the code for UI and here the command line to go through the same code path, right? Like, let's say we have a button which says like generate with option, like generate text or something. And then it goes through the same stuff that also the command line goes through. Now, obviously, this is only for like printing out those text files. It's not for showing it in the UI, but basically I would just like to have command line and UI share the same functionality. So UI should be able to do exactly what command line does and use the same code path, ideally, so that we can just test everything in the GUI. Don't need to test with command line. Like, it makes testing much easier and everything. Yeah, okay, I think I have a general idea. Yeah. So then I expect that we will move this stuff here into a new function or class in the runner. Well, currently the runner does even more things than what the runner expect to do. Okay, but we don't have to think that far yet. Let's just, for starters, let's add a new option here. Define opt GUI. Okay, and then we make it here G opt GUI open with GUI, open with graphical user interface. And this will be a like that, right? Okay, and then we add here Maybe move it here to the bottom where the other booleans are. Bool GUI false, and then here at the bottom we put else if v equals opt GUI, then I say GUI, and then we yeah, so we do if GUI if def win32 else, and if printf GUI not GUI not implemented, return 1. And here we do imgui client and then imgui client then we do client dot run. Yeah, something like this. And then basically return client run. Yeah. Quick client. Quick client. Okay, then we go here, win32. Quick client win32. Yeah. win32.cpp. And then we go to our CMake list. So it's imgui client win32. Okay. Maybe win32 is not a good name for our file. Maybe we call it imgui win32. Okay, but for that we also need to rename this imgui win32. Okay, and then we should have now okay, I think this broke here. Okay. Okay, and then we have here imgui. It doesn't put it into subfolders. Okay. I think there's a way though, isn't there? Let me see. Target sources. Parent dir. How do I specify in which subfolder to put that thing? Prepend. Target sources. Visual Studio dir. It seems like there's nothing that explains how to put it into a folder. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. So yeah, I would like to preserve this folder structure, but I have no clue how it's done. There's probably some way to do this. Maybe. But yeah. As always, no one explains these things in their tutorials. They always explain things that no one actually needs and no one ever asks for. But they never show the good stuff. Only the bullshit. Yeah. Okay, well, then let's not care about that for now. Good, so we have this now here, and then we put this here. Imgui for Win32. Imgui runner for Win32. Okay, include imgui Win32. Okay. imgui runner. Okay, so okay, so we need a class. Namespace unassemblize. Let's call it unassemblize GUI. Yeah. And so in our main imgui client, imgui client, and then we have a function public run, which has no arguments for now. Actually, it returns int. Yeah. Let's say bool. Oh, we make a here enum imgui error. No error. None. 0 error. Error, run. Okay, then here namespace unassemblize GUI. Okay, and then in GUI client run. Okay, good. So this will be our client run, and then Here we do unassemblize GUI, and then here we do if def win32 and if includes imgui win32 header, and he doesn't find it. Imgui client. There we go. Okay, and then yeah, so here we say 10 static cast int let's say here unassemblize GUI imgui error return int error. Okay. I expect that this will compile. No. Oh, must return a value, of course. Return imgui error none. Return. Okay, there we go. Okay. And then what we can do now is we can go to our debugging and we pass here minus GUI, and then and then we go to our sample application and we copy this whole thing and we now, okay, so we put this up here. Dear imgui standalone application, learn about Dear imgui. Okay, now we can keep this. Okay, so we have static okay, let's put this stuff up here. Okay. Then we have a main function. And let's take all this garbage here and we put it into our run function. Put it here. Okay. And then we remove this. And our helper functions, we also move here in namespace unassemblize. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so what is this here? Function definition not found. Extern. Okay, I have no idea what's going on with this. So right now it looks as if it will be a linker error, but who knows? Okay, so here we have error. So let's return imgui error. Error. Okay, this looks promising though. Let's compile this. Let's see what breaks. Okay, yeah, we have a linker error. Yeah, what's up with that? Why is this here? Imgui. Forward declare message handler. Ah, it's in a global namespace. Ah, okay. So we need to put this guy actually outside here. There we go. What about this guy here? WND proc. Okay, but this looks like it should be working. Good. Let's compile this. Nope, it fails. Create device. We also need to link DirectX. Initialize DirectX. Can we just... Do we need a special SDK or can we just... It's already included here. Ah, we don't link it. CMake link D3D9. CMake find. CMake link direct D3D9. How do we do that? D3D9. Wait, how is this here in our sample? Where's this linking against? DX SDK there. Okay. CMake find D3D9. That looks interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's what we want, but okay, how about we just replicate what we see here. So we add this here. Target link libraries. This. Include. Okay, linker inputs. General. Additional library directories. CMake link library path. Link directories. Okay. But I don't know, maybe adding this link library, maybe this is already enough. Let's see what happens. Yeah, somehow it's already enough. At least here with the Windows SDK through Visual Studio that we have installed. Maybe add a comment. Windows SDK knows where to find it. Let's say Windows 10 SDK. Okay, so somehow it magically works. I'm a bit suspicious of this though. Yeah. Library pass, DX SDK there. Yeah, maybe we can at least add this here. So link directory. Here, link directories. And then we put this here as well. Because that's what imgui does in its sample. So maybe that's good. Is that correct? I don't think we need this here. Actually, we may need when there are spaces in here. Link directories. Okay, let's compile this. Oh, this is x64. Oh, we are compiling x6. Okay, then that's okay. Good. Let's see what unassemblize now has in here. So linker, input. Okay, so there's a library and general. It doesn't show us this path here. Additional library directories. Link directories. Do we need to pass include directories? Okay, so this evaluates to, this one I had customly installed. The SDK there. Okay. Okay, so it links against this SDK that I have actually customly installed. I don't know. I don't know what happens if someone just has a Windows 10 SDK installed. Oof. Okay, I would like to get this path, so at least it's consistent with the example. Because if this example compiles, and they put it here like this, then I assume that it's somewhat sufficient, right? But how do we get this path here? How do we get that? It's not here. I don't know how robust this thing is. Okay, let's just copy this guy. Take this. I mean, what can go wrong, huh? Here, find this. And we put this here. Okay. Okay. Okay, then we go to our CMake lists. Let's hide this one. Let's put here this. And then we do find this. And then we compile this. Reloads. Let's remove this. Okay, so selecting this. Let's see this CMake log. Could not find DirectX 9. Well, looking for DirectX 9 includes shared libs. Okay, I did find the libs though. DirectX root there. Huh. DirectX root there. Missing DirectX root there. Let's see. What is the problem? DirectX includes DirectX root here. Where's this missing? Let's open this path here. Oh, DirectX is here. Could not find DirectX 9. Shit. Okay, how do we deal with this situation? What I find weird is that it claims include is here, but the libs are here, but these things are like miles ahead, miles apart, no? Let me see. Here we also have a lib. Oof. Oof. D3. Okay, there is a D3, D9. Huh. Okay, we got a weird situation. I have this installed here. And okay, what about, let's go here. So here we have include D3, D9. Yeah, so it should find this pair. Otherwise, like, it shouldn't do this pair. This is bonkers. Madness. This is madness. Oof. And this also, I think, is for 32 bits. Yeah, this. Ah, here we have 64-bit. Okay. DXT9. Looking for direct x9. Could not find direct x9. Missing direct x root there. Direct x root there. Direct x libraries, direct x. Okay, so this claims here direct x9, direct x SDK star, but I clearly have a different install here. Microsoft DirectX 9.0 SDK. So let's put here DirectX DirectX 9.0 SDK. I wonder why he had to hardcode all this here. Find path, include theirs. And why is he using find paths here for this, but not here? I don't understand that. Let's see what it prints now. Still says the same. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this search thingy. Find DirectX 9 CMake. Try to find DirectX. They're all newer than the SDK that I have. Find a header. Find a header. Try to find DirectX. Once done, this will define DirectX. What is XYZ? What if we move this to the very top? What happens then? Let's see. It still finds this here. I don't like that it claims it finds this thing here and this here. So I don't know what the behavior is now. Like, where does it... Actually, we can D3, D9. Yeah, it does find it here. So it's using a header for a library that doesn't match this header. That doesn't sound good. Shit. Ugh. I don't know if that's good either. So okay, let's comment out this garbage here. And let's try the other one. Let's see what this gives us. I don't quite understand what it does. Let's see. Oh, it does require some other files. Toolchain. Find package message. Oof. Where? Find package. It's not here. Check include file. Check include. It's not here. I don't understand. Let's see what this does. Probably errors. It does something. It did an error. Okay, so it claims it found this, that. Okay. Okay, but it only finds include there. Once done, this will define. What about library dear? DirectX. Oh boy. Okay, let's add here our SDK to it. This one. Okay, how can we found includes. Try to find DirectX, include directories and libraries. Once done, this will define include dir, include directory. But we need the lib directory as well. What the hell? But it says here directories and libraries. Where? But clearly it does something here. DirectX lib search path. Okay, where's this used? It's not used. What about this one? What about this one? This one is used. Find paths. Oh boy. Find the header. External dependencies. D3, D9. Properties. Yeah. I don't know how to deal with this. I don't know what to do here. Unclear. Okay, what happens if we just launch it? I mean, it compiles. Let's see what happens. Okay, it does draw. I mean, it works, but I don't understand this stuff here. I mean, here it claims it couldn't find something. Here it claims it finds the headers, but what does it do with it? Like, we don't use it. It still works, but it's highly suspicious. Because I assume that if someone else runs this CMake thing, it just won't work. Because they won't have the headers or the libraries, or I don't know. Perhaps it just works for me by chance. Right? So I don't know what to say about this. Hmm. It would be interesting to know what lib is exactly compiling against. Can we see this? I don't know. I'm very suspicious here of this thing. Compilers, linkers. Okay, well, as long as it works for now for me, I guess it's fine, but let's put a question mark here. How does it find it? What did I just delete? That thing. Yeah. Well, we don't really have anything here. I don't know why this thing does nothing. DX SDK dear. Let's see if that does anything. Okay, I have no idea what it just did there. Okay, somehow it errors now. That's weird. That's extremely weird. The stuff is working in mysterious ways. Invalid escape collect. Ah, okay. Right. Let's try this. Okay. So does this change anything? No, doesn't do anything. Okay, I have no idea what's going on here with this find thingy. Seems to be absolutely, totally useless. Then let's remove it for now. And yeah, I don't know. It works somehow, but I don't understand how. Yeah. Strange. Okay, but if it works, we can at least test it, right? Let's put a few more question marks here. Okay, good. Well, if it runs, we can at least build and test. And if someone has like a problem, build problem, then you can look into why it doesn't compile and then fix this. But to me, it looks highly suspicious. Like we don't know where this is. We depend on something, and I don't know what. At least for this Dia SDK, we actually have something that tries to look up something. And for this library and include paths for DirectX 9, we don't have that. So I don't know where this magically finds it. And I'm even surprised that it actually runs. Yeah, without error. But okay. If it runs, right? Good. Then we can, let's go to main. So here we have a print version. Revision. Let's move this. Revision 12. This. Okay, how about we go to our util. Let's put it here, scd std string get version str Well, it's not really a utility function, is it? Version h version cpp, then std string get version version. Well, let's create version string. Okay. Okay, let's go to CMake utils and version cpp and version header. Compile that. And git info.header. Okay. Git info. Good. Then we go to version here version create version string includes string and we take this version this includes version.h and includes git info.h and then we do return std string fmt format create this and then we do this and that format to includes fmt core. Okay, printf return Okay, so we got this. Okay. Okay. Okay, remove this. Okay. Okay, and then we go to main and print version. Now printf. Printf. Include version.h. Then we remove this git info thingy. And then get version string. Okay. Or create version string. .cstr. Okay. Print version. Print version main, and then put it here. And then we remove this. Okay, then we go to our main. Here. And we can now here. Enable DPI awareness. Oof. L. Where's this thing used? Can we make it the ASCII version? Where's the string used? Imgui example. Create window. So unassemblize register class XA, create window A, std string includes version std string window creates version string version.cstr and unregister class A, and let's see if that compiles. No. Unregister class. Okay. Okay, that seems to work. Yeah. Color dark. Yeah. Okay, our sample runs. Oh, we got a crash. Of course we do. Oh, well, that's stupid. Imgui. Main here, revision. Okay, revision this version. Okay, let's run this. Still throwing. Revision. There's a string version. Right. Can we simplify this more? What does this actually do here? There's an empty string, version, okay. Git tag, revision. Okay, 104. R104. R104 and then that. Okay, and version is that. Okay, now how about we do the following? It is present D, so we put a D here and git revision, we put that here, and version, who knows what that is. Git version tag is not V. It's not V. It's conditional. Vision. Okay. We can still simplify this. Here, version, if that, else that, and version equals git tag version equals that. Okay, and then we remove this. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we have an error. Yes. There we go. Good. So revision, version, revision, and this time it works. Great. And it is all Chinese. How did that happen? Okay, that is unexpected. That is really unexpected. Is that because we lose the buffer? Let me see. No. Well, why is that? Oh, that is wild. Okay, what if we put a string here? Also Chinese. Oh, that is wild. Huh. Why is that? So previously it was done with create window W. Sure. I have no idea. Let's see. Google search. create window, Chinese text, Chinese characters in title bar. Let's say ANSI-based Windows, but you're running a Unicode-based message loop. Okay, so it all needs to be okay. Well, then we do the following. We get that back to W. Yeah. Then we say here unassemblize. Then we say register. And then put include util.h. And then we do here version, W string version, util, UTF-8, no, to UTF-16, create version string, version dot cstr. There we go. Let's see. There we go. Okay, good. Good, let's take an image of this and share the progress. That we now have basically a window. Save. Window. imgui. Okay. Good. Yeah, I think that's all we need to do for now. I still don't know what's going on with the DirectX situation, but it's running, so I'm not complaining. Yeah, that's the most important. Good. Then next video, we will. What will we do? We will throw out all this demo stuff, or comment it out for now. Wait, first we submit what we currently have. Yeah, the demo. Then we throw out all this demo stuff and just have the baseline, and then we basically call a new function here somewhere, which does call like our imgui client. Wait, this is imgui client run. Maybe we should rename it to imgui platform or something. imgui platform. Yeah, and then make a imgui we probably shouldn't call it imgui. We should probably call it maybe we just call it imgui win32, and then we create the imgui app. How about that? Yeah. And the imgui app, we then build our windows, and that's it. Yeah, I think that works. Good. Then, yeah, I'm happy with the progress. It's fine. Good. Then, yeah, we'll take a break now. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.